Alright, we got a Hoshizaki abused ice machine here. Neglected. Right. Abused isn't the right word. Neglected. They just said it's not making ice. I know nothing else. So we fire it up. We got a full water reservoir. Yep. We got a fan. We got an auger. This board I don't think has the ability. There's no service button to get it started quicker. So we're gonna have to sit tight here and see when our compressor kicks in, what happens. That's interesting. So I'm clicking onto the neutral of the compressor, getting ready. It seemed like every time, yeah, look, I can move these wires and she's cycling down. The relay's kicking. I wonder if we got a crappy thermostat controller here. This was passing a DC signal to this. Let's see if the compressor starts. What other problems we have? Definitely we had a wonky temperature controller. So this is a probe, sorry. So this is smart. I like it. It's dumb. Sorry. It is analog, therefore unintelligent. But it goes down, and it's just an ice probe, which idiotically being this high is going to be a problem. But that when the ice probe gets frozen by ice, it knows it's full and it stops making. There's also a patch in there that's supposed to do that. Alright, we just had a lot of wiring to deal with. But I wanted to test voltage and amp draw at the same time. So we're good. She fired up. I don't use this guy a lot, so I can, this is a mega ohm, so I can actually look for really troublesome issues with this. I bought it specifically to mega ohm out some heating element, high temp wire problem I was having. But man, that should get us going. We were missing the wire had come off that blue wire. So that wire had come off the potential relay. So we weren't energizing. I cut a whole bunch of crap back. I chased the schematic like, hey, we're supposed to be coming out of that wire right there. That's the wire coming out of that relay. So I cut it, put a Wago on it, and found I had 120 volts coming out of my relay because I'm like, man, maybe my board's bad. Nope, board's fine. We weren't energizing the potential relay, which then wasn't sending the proper power to the compressor. So we're looking good now. She will make ice. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. This is part of a $19 9-piece insulated screwdriver set I bought on Amazon. Okay, and it's not like they didn't ask me to. I was just like, whatever, man. I tear up insulated screwdrivers. I only want to use insulated screwdrivers. Let's use this. Look at how cool this is. It also is a non-contact voltage. Here, look. It's a non-contact voltage meter. Like, you want to know if it's hot? It's hot. I mean, that's a pretty neat little gimmick. But they're 1,000 volt rated, and there's 9 of them. They're in every size. I am all for spending money on quality, but I have every veto bag. I carry Milwaukee. I am about buying quality where it makes sense to buy quality. But when it comes to generic things like an insulated screwdriver, rated for 1,000 volts, I am willing to put my trust in that rating being accurate and not a scam. Making ice. So all this grossness that you see is on the outside. We are making ice. This is not attached to the crap. This plywood. So now all we need to see, so remember I have disengaged the bin control. Temperature bin control is bad. So now all my other tests on that goes right in there, that it's going to terminate properly. So I'm going to open this up and I'm going to make sure I hit it and it terminates properly, so she doesn't just blow out.